Well, it seems like there's gonna be a race over here, so I just pulled my camera out. Fucking 2.5 Ultima. There's a Benz up front. Always in the wrong car. Alright, let me just floor it. Yeah, but how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm just going to go wash this car with my friend. He bought a new car, so it's gonna be exciting to see it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys know this Avalon clip. Guess who came with the SUK?
Wow.
This guy came with a new SUK. Alright. All clean and stuff. Nice as E30s right there, but be all good. It's really good. I cleaned the wheels finally. It's a little more shinier. How about some new lights as well? Looking pretty dope. What do you want? The lighting is really good. Alright, so that's done. I'm just gonna go home now. It's kind of getting late. Alright, another day. We're back at it. So today we're gonna go pick up the supplies. Alright, but I'll just jack up both of the sides. I hate doing this part because it just takes a lot of time. But yeah, if you come around, I can just show you guys oil filter, the oil. Got that, and then I got something that you can drain into and then just dispose it. Alright, just put the jack stands on both sides. And I also located the oil filter. It's like right there on the driver's side. And I just located the bolt too. It was like right there. It was right next to the oil filter on the side. Also a disclaimer, I've never changed my oil before, so I know it's gonna be a little messy. Hey guys, it's Taran from the future. As I was editing this video, obviously I got the touchpad and the new Mac, so expect videos more sooner. But as I was editing this video, I noticed that I don't have the footage for the oil change. This GoPro kind of ruined the footage. I did a time lapse on my head, and it ended up not recording at all. So yeah, the GoPro overheated and it shut down on me on my head while I was recording, so I couldn't get the footage. Sadly, I know it sucks, but at least the oil got changed, so I'm gonna throw this shit away and buy a new GoPro. And yeah, sorry that I lost the footage of the GoPro, but I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do an oil change. Alright, so I just changed the oil right now. And I'm pretty much gonna check the oil stick one more time to see if it's okay, and kind of compare the colors that was from this one to the one we had before. So if you compare this to my previous video where the oil was burnt and it was super dark, this one, it looks so much better now. So that's all full, and I'm gonna recycle that probably off camera. And I definitely want to do the spark plugs on the Mustang. Probably gonna do that in a couple more days. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the oil change. I do want to get the other fluids changed too, like the trans fluid and like brakes. I do want bigger brakes as well, because these brakes are ass, and especially if there's more power, it needs bigger brakes as well. So